let's now discuss the examples for subtopic 3.1. So for example 1, you are asked to differentiate the following questions with respect to x. So for the first question, question A, you are given in the form of y is equal to a power of x. And you have to recall then the formula for dy dx will be a power of x multiplied by ln of a. The easiest approach I can give you is that for you to remember that we are going to have three brackets, and what we are going to do is we are going to use copy, then differentiate, and then take ln. That is the steps that we are going to use. So your solution for this question will be dy dx is actually equals to three bracket. The first one is just copy, so 5 power of x multiplied by differentiating power, so differentiate x will get 1. And then the third bracket will be ln of 5. And since the second bracket is 1, we can just ignore that. So your answer will be 5 power of x multiplied by ln of 5. So it will be the same for question B. You are given in the form of y equals to 4 power of 3x plus 5. And again, we are going to use copy, differentiate, and ln. So dy dx is equal to, you copy everything, so 4 power of 3x plus 5. And then the second bracket is differentiating 3x plus 5 with respect to x, and then the third bracket will be ln of our base, which is 4. So you are going to get 4 power of 3x plus 5 multiplied by the derivative will be 3, and then you are going to get ln 4. So you can just leave it at that, or you can rearrange that. So I'll just leave it there. For the third question, you are given in the form of y equals to 3 power of x squared minus 2x. And again, we copy, we differentiate, and then we take ln of our base. So dy dx is equal to, just put the three brackets first. And then you can just copy 3 power of x squared minus 2x. Differentiate power, so d by dx of x squared minus 2x. And then last, we are going to take ln of our base, which is 3. So you can just simplify this first, 3 power of x squared minus 2x multiplied by 2x minus 2. That is the derivative from the second bracket. And then multiplied by ln 3. You can just then leave it at that. Please remember that you have to have the bracket there, or else your answer will be wrong. Thank you.